Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Whirlpool model so menus match. This avoids wasted steps. Next, make sure the oven is powered and the breaker is on, because control panels need stable voltage. Once done, remove racks and wipe obvious spills so sensors and heating elements aren't obstructed. Now power on the control panel, select Bake, and set temperature 180 degrees C. This gets the oven into a ready state and begins the preheat cycle immediately. You now select the correct cooking mode. Use convection bake for even roasting, bake for standard dishes, and broil for top browning. Make sure to input the exact temperature using the keypad because Whirlpool ovens preheat to within close tolerance. Using the oven probe gives added precision for meats. Once the mode and temp are set, arrange racks in the proper slot. Do this before heat builds. Then wait for the preheat tone or indicator light before placing food. To finish, rely on the oven timer or probe to reach target doneness, and always use mitts when removing hot pans to prevent burns. Once done, cool racks slightly before cleaning. Wiping soon prevents baked-on residue. If you get uneven cooking, run the self-clean or perform a temperature calibration in settings because calibrated sensors restore accuracy. If controls freeze or lights blink, reset the breaker for 30 seconds. If problems persist, contact Whirlpool service. Don't attempt sealed component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.